Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So let's analyze today's Bank Nifty session. Bank Nifty opened on a gap up note. The initial level was 43948 and it went up to 43975 which is the resistance one, and then it tried to move above 44,000 today, but whenever there is a gap up, there is a high chances of market to go down, and it happened as expected. The momentum towards above 44 was not for so long, and from the third candle itself, the market started moving to the downside, and again it went to the lower shadow of the first candle, somewhere around 43847. And again, Bank Nifty tried to stay above 44, but the all-time high was again not reached today. It was expiry day, and the moment was not one-sided today. Then Bank Nifty uh, was in a trouble situation, somewhere around 140. When the Europe market was open, and from 44 to 43,780, somewhere around 200 or 300 points gap down, made Bank Nifty to lost all the momentum that it had in the earlier hours. Then again, that shadow was indicating that Bank Nifty again can go down, and on the same verge it went down, and it go gone below the pivot line, and 43,673 or 675 was the lower shadow today Bank Nifty made. In the end of few 15-20 minutes, Bank Nifty tried to regain the yesterday's not yesterday's day before yesterday's opening, but it was unfortunate for Bank Nifty to keep that momentum, and it closed somewhere around 43 750, I think 750 or 770, something like that. So this was the overall Bank Nifty trend for today. Now the question comes here is whether Bank Nifty is going to make an all-time high or not. So it from now it looks difficult for Bank Nifty to get the all-time high, but as we know, tomorrow is Friday, and Friday mostly the sessions remains in green, and we have some Q4 results from SBI, which indicates that SBI and other PSUs can make market to go towards the upper side tomorrow. Uh, Globally, if we see, then the situation is normal. There is no sign of panic as such. SGX is trading flat right now, and Bank Nifty future is also flat right now. So for tomorrow, the levels which I will suggest is again 44 will be the crucial level. If Bank Nifty again get the get that level back, then again we can expect a rally towards the all-time high. Uh, Tomorrow session is crucial for Bank Nifty's all-time high, and I'm expecting if 44 100 is reached, then definitely 44 151 and above can market can go. So the levels for the upper side will be, first level will be the crucial level will be the 44,000. 44,000 is the main level which we will looking for tomorrow. 44 151 will be again the second level, which will be considered as our target 2 level, and 44 300 will be our last level for tomorrow. Similarly, on the downside, 43 750 is the closing for today. So 43,700 will be the crucial level, and 43,500 will be the crucial level, and 43,300, and below that 43 is the last level for the downside. uh, Globally and locally, the situation is not like the market can go on a downside. Momentum can continue tomorrow, and we may see 44 or 45, not maybe this month, maybe on the next month itself. So this is the overall analysis and suggestion for tomorrow's trade, and hopefully we will see a gap up tomorrow, and the all-time high as well tomorrow itself. So till then, just keep liking and sharing my videos, and if you find my suggestions useful, then do subscribe my channel and ask others as well to subscribe, to stay updated with all the related news to the banks and the bank nifty. Thank you so much.